Hello guys, so we are back at it again with another PC build. As you can see on the table right in front of me, this is a AMD Ryzen 5. So yes, we are doing an AMD Ryzen build. This one's the 1500X, as you can see in the box. It's 4 cores, 8 threads, and it's base clock at 3.5 gigahertz, and it has a precision boost clock to 3.7 gigahertz. Not too many people like Ryzen. Again, this is going to be a budget-ish build. I mean, it's really ghetto. We're only aiming to spend we've already spent about like $900 on the parts. I'm just trying something different because, with CAD work being something that my mate needs for this PC, I felt like the Ryzen would be more suitable compared to the i5 7500, for instance. So yeah, the CPU for the build would be the Ryzen 5 1500X. I didn't get the 1600 because, again, we're cheap and it was out of budget. The motherboard for this was the ASUS Prime B350A. Now, I chose this motherboard because it has 4 RAM slots for you. It has the re-IO for you that you need. And, it has an M.2 slot. And there's a PCIe X16 lane for your graphics card. I don't know what else you need on a motherboard these days. I mean, look, you don't need 7.1 audio outputs at the back. You don't need a shit ton of other stuff on it because, again, this is a budget build. We're not going for anything crazy. So yeah, good board really. ASUS, great brand, love it. The graphics card to power it. With the stupid prices of cryptocurrency mining these days, this is what we could afford. 1050 Ti. This came into about what, $250-ish. If you're looking for the next thing up, it's like a 3GB GTX 1060, which isn't too much of an upgrade, still is. That's well about $100 more, and couldn't really justify the price. So yeah, we got ourselves a 1050 Ti. Great card, really. Not much to complain. Now, the memory is the HyperX Fury RAM. Now, this is a 8GB kit, so 2x4. Yes, I know with Ryzen builds, most people suggest like 3000 megahertz, 3200, the higher the better, whatever. This is only a 2400 megahertz kit. Now, with the 3000 prices, they're pretty stupidly crazy. I mean, like, you're paying well over $100 extra on top of whatever you pay for this to get a few hundred more megahertz and a tad more performance. Can't justify the price. Again, on a budget, if you really want to, overclock this shit. But yeah, no, I think we're sticking to the 2400. It'll just be on the XSP profiles anyways. It should be 2133 base. Now memory. Yes, we're about to go for something cheaper. However, can't really beat the 850 EVOs by Samsung. This is a 250 gigabyte SSD. Great SSD. I have one myself as a boot drive. This would be used as a boot drive. And for primary storage, what we have is this is a Toshiba laptop. We have a 2.5 inch, I think it's a 5400 RPM hard drive in there. Look, it might even be the SATA 3 gigabit per second, but it could be sick, you never know. Like I said, we're cheap here, and so we're recycling parts. As long as it works, it works. Also needed Wi-Fi, so cheap as crap. Wi-Fi adapter. I mean, it has 802.11 ABGN, I believe. Unless it doesn't. I mean, $15. Okay, we're back. minor technical difficulties. The camera fell on me. Yes, I know, sounds weird. Whatever, let's get on with it. So here we have it, a PCIe wireless adapter. It should, like I said, have all the standards, ABGNN, 300 megabits, data rate, pre warranty. Great, it's cheap, $15. Good to go. And then to power the whole system, what we have here is a Silverstone Essential Series power supply. Now, this is a 550 watt power supply. It's rated at 80 plus ROMs, and it's non-modular. I was going to go for actually a Corsair CX450 watt. That's also rated at 80 plus ROMs. However, MSI didn't have it in stock, so we went for the Silverstone instead. At the end of the day, with power supplies, I can't say too much about them. If you're not venturing into the, Gold Plus or a Platinum rated ones, to me, personally, there isn't much of a big difference. So yeah, great power supply. It does what it does. It powers the computer. It's efficient, and it won't blow up on you, and it has half-decent warranty. What else can you ask for? So I guess there we have it. Power supply, SSD, memory, wireless card, the CPU itself, the Ryzen CPU, motherboard as well, and the graphics card. So yeah, short intro to a new build which is coming up, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. If anyone was wondering about the case, it is the Thermaltake Versa H25. I've used this case before in another build, so just go check it out. It's on my channel. If you know what, I might as well just make like a quick overview video of this case. It's bloody thin, it's bloody cheap, and it does what it does. It houses your components. So what more can you want for a budget build? So yeah.